We've got the Tutor in the lead as 3, followed by the Tiger Mike, and then the Blackburn B2. The instructors during this period on the Tutor was one Joseph Cox, and here he is some years ago talking to an Imperial War Museum researcher about the tremendous students he encountered at the time.
They were very described, really nice young men. Not long ago, but in a nice way. They were very nice way. But when it came down to the flying, they were excellent. I can't remember when I had a hefty one, but I think I'm sure that used to and I can't really run.
On the 18th of August 1937, this one from the Shuttleworth collection is today the sole airworthy survivor of the Tutor. Equally as rare as the airframe is the Armstrong Siddeley Lymphatic team, which displayed at the Royal Air Force displayed at Hendon and other venues in the mid to late 1930s. We saw the Tiger 9 team to represent the DH-82A Tiger Moth. The development of de Havilland's earlier DH-60 Moth family, but they resighted the wing, which was moved forward to allow an easier escape by the front seat operated flying schools that trained pilots who went on to serve with the Royal Air Force. An early example of contractorising training. That one from BAE Systems is the only airworthy example. The Magister and the Tiger Moth, these shores, because quite a few of them would have been fitted with small bomb racks to help repel a German advance. I should think that would have been about as potent as Corporal Jones's bayonet, but nonetheless, the idea was had. Quite a few of them were sold into civilian hands after the war, used by flying clubs. One of them won the King's Cup Air Race in 1950. Today there are 5 of them still flying. One of them in Argentina, the rest of them all in the UK, and this is half of that UK-based population. One of them owned by the Shuttleworth collection, the other by a syndicate headed up by David Cranwell. And here they come into land, with the Magisters flown today by Bob Morecambe and new Shuttleworth pilot recruit Cy Davies. In the Blackburn B2 we had BAE test pilot Peter Kozagorin, in the Avro Tutor was Mark Sharp, and in the Tiger Moth was its owner Robin Russell. But now we're going to turn to modern day Royal Air Force training. So a lovely look at pre-war and wartime Royal Air Force training.